Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to create a subroutine with some arguments in it called details. Like that. So I'm going to put, for example, scalar name. I'm going to assign it Dave, and I'm going to create scalar age. I'm going to assign that an age, 77, and then I'm going to put scalar country. I'm going to assign that a country then, let's say USA. Okay, and we're going to print these details out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be say. Hello, scalar name, you are, scalar age, from scalar country. Okay, now we're going to call that subroutine called details, and that will just save it. And to run the program, what I'm going to do, I'm opening my DOS prompt here because the font is actually bigger. Kate does come with a terminal here, but it's like minute, and I've tried to alter it and I just can't seem to do it. So I'm just going to use this so you can see what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change directory to documents here. Okay, now I've got created a document inside my documents folder called Raku. So cd Raku. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the program. So I type in Raku and then the name of the program, which is new.raku. Let's hit enter. Okay, so there you go, it's printed it out for us. Hello Dave, you are 77 from the USA. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's been useful, and remember, drop me a comment and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. I'm just starting out on this channel, so I need the subscribers, I need the views, and I need the likes basically. So anyway, thank you very much, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.